It's a Monday in California. It's beach day. Beautiful weather outside, so why not to go and enjoy it. We are in Manhattan Beach. I'm sure you've heard of this beach. It's in California in Southern Maine. One of my favorite beaches to visit. They have amazing food places, great people, and it's just so clean and prestige. Your soul wants to enjoy it. Okay, Chanel and I love beaches, so we're going Today's the holiday, national holiday for the US, so a lot of families are out, many businesses and schools are closed, so everyone is just enjoying this beautiful weather. And why did I choose California? Because it's January and it's winter, but we're about to go to the beach and walk on the sand. There's so cute little cafes everywhere. Amazing food, like I said before. And I'm all about authentic little hidden places where you can just enjoy your time with friends and beach. And these are all beach houses. A lot of them are rentals. So people that travel, tourists, or do vacations, they just rent it out because it's super close to the beach. A lot of people boogie board and surf. There's tons of biking going on. So lots of activities and action going on here. Also, love walking with Chanel, and this leash is so cozy. Whether I bike with her or just walk, my hands are so free. Just put this over your shoulder or over your waist, and she walks you. Not all beaches in California are dog friendly. You have to always look out and make sure you check for rules, because only we have separate locations and the beaches for dogs where you can release your dog off the leash and play around. Manhattan Beach is one of those that ask you to have your dog next to you at all times because they maintain it clean. But the dog beaches are so cool because they have dog cafes, they have even special dog food on the menu, so you can enjoy yourself with friends and the dog enjoys it. One of these homes that we stayed in, yeah, I think I remember. Lots of memories with this lane because we stayed in one of these homes. Look how cool this construction is. They have like eclectic versions of modern homes, like a little industrial further in the ocean, you can see how people are swimming and surfing or boogie boarding. So the water is really nice. And then, if you want to zoom in on that, it looks like it's not a dog beach. So obviously you cannot. You see those rules on the column. They always make sure that you are aware where you can allow your dog to go or not, or else you can get a ticket. If there's a patrol going on and your dog is off the leash, they can give you a ticket. Crazy. So we can walk around. Let's go on a pier and see what's up there. Get some fresh air, enjoy ourselves. I have to say that California is all about dogs. Almost every other family has a dog or two. Everyone is super friendly. You get to do play dates and everything. Did they got your games today? What I love about all of the beaches along the coast of California, they always set up volleyball nets. People just come out and play beach volleyball with teams. People today are just picnicking. They grab they're swimming, they're enjoying themselves. Look at how low tide it is. My little bestie always loves going to the beach with me. Also, Manhattan Beach is located really close to SpaceX, so you can always see how they're setting off different rockets and spaceships. Turn around, take a look. Look in the sky. You see that? So if you go to their website, you can always see when their launches are. You can go to the launch pad to see when they set them off. But the sky is all over with so many rockets. I'm just curious what the weather is today. So right now it's 66 degrees. It honestly feels like 75 degrees. Out in the sun, it's so warm. But look, the rest of the week looks promising, just with a little chance of rain on Thursday. So, as they say, it's always sunny in California. During the weekends on the beaches, they often do a beach cleanup. So people gather in groups and they volunteer to pick up all of the trash and plastic from the beach to keep the beach clean. And then of course they have regular workers, maintenances with trucks that go through and brush through the sand so it's nice and clean. The island is very close to our place where we stay. Or no, she's like,